We're into video 13 now, about unit testing. In any software development process, testing is a crucial phase to ensure that the code behaves as expected. Unit testing specifically tests individual units of code, such as functions or methods, in isolation from the rest of the code base. In this video, we'll delve into the world of unit testing in JavaScript. We'll explore how to write test cases and utilize popular testing frameworks to automate the process. Section 1. Writing test cases. A test case is a set of conditions under which a tester will determine whether a system under test satisfies requirements or works correctly. Think of it as an experiment to prove that your code is working the way you intended. Test cases are essential for verifying that your code meets the specified requirements and behaves as expected. A basic test case can be a simple function that tests a specific behavior of your code. This code tests a fictional add function, expecting it to return 12 when called with 5 and 7 as arguments. If the test fails, an error is thrown. Writing basic test cases like this helps you catch errors and ensure that your code functions as intended. Section 2. Using testing frameworks. Introduction to testing frameworks. While you can write tests manually, testing frameworks provide tools to define, run, and organize your tests. This makes the process more efficient and allows for more complex testing scenarios. Testing frameworks are crucial for large-scale projects where manual testing becomes cumbersome and error-prone. Writing tests with Jest. Jest is a popular testing framework for JavaScript. Let's write a test using Jest for our add function. This code uses Jest's test and expect functions to define a test for the add function. The test will pass if add 5, 7 returns 12. Jest provides a clean and straightforward syntax for defining tests, making it easier to write and understand them. Running tests. With Jest, you can run all the tests in your project with a single command. Running tests through Jest provides detailed feedback on which tests passed or failed, allowing for quick debugging and validation. Mocking and async testing. Here's the code for mocking. Jest provides advanced features like mocking functions and testing asynchronous code. Press pause here to review. Code for async testing. Press pause here to review. Mocking allows you to replace a function with a fake version for testing, while async testing allows you to test code that returns a promise. These advanced features enable comprehensive testing of even the most complex code. Unit testing is a vital part of the development process, ensuring that your code functions correctly and meets the specified requirements. By understanding how to write test cases and utilize testing frameworks like Jest, you'll build more reliable, robust applications. Remember, writing tests is not just about finding bugs, it's about designing better code. Tests force you to think about your code's requirements and how it should behave, leading to a more thoughtful and well-architected code base. Happy testing!